Is it time to buy or sell eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will delve into eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of July, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 2nd of June, 2025, our system has ranked eHome Household Service Holdings Limited as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a decline of 13.88% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 0.58% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 110.67% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 10.50% to 276.13%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 66.81%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 60.80% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price lying somewhere between $0 and $1.07. Our latest daily update for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited includes the headline, Significant Movements in eHome Household Service Holdings Limited Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating 14.34% between high and low. The eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock price decreased by negative 0.365% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, from $2.74 to $2.73. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 14.34%. ranging from a low of $2.65 to a high of $3.03. The price has been volatile during this period, with an overall gain of 8.76% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 550,000 shares, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 595,000 shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.62 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $15.50, while the lowest was $0.0749. Currently, the price stands 82.39%, or $12.77, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $8,092,807.27, below the all-time high recorded on the 17th of May, 2021, when it peaked at $8,092,810. eHome Household Service Holdings Limited, trading under the symbol EJH, has recently made significant strides that could impact its stock price both in the short and long term. On the 17th of June, 2025, the company announced it had secured multiple cleaning and appliance repair contracts worth over 4 million renminbi. This influx of agreements signifies a robust demand for its services, suggesting potential revenue growth that could bolster investor confidence. Additionally, eHome has initiated the trial operation of artificial intelligence robots in its service offerings. By integrating advanced technology, the company aims not only to improve efficiency, but also to enhance service quality, addressing a critical need in the domestic service sector. This strategic move may appeal to tech-savvy investors and could attract further business opportunities, positively influencing the stock in the coming quarters. Earlier, in late May, eHome conducted a share consolidation with a ratio set at 1 for 50. Such actions typically indicate a company positioning itself for growth, potentially increasing share value by reducing the number of shares in circulation. Overall, these developments highlight eHome's commitment to expanding its market presence and operational efficiency, which could lead to increased stock value in the short term as performance metrics improve. In the long run, these innovations and strategic partnerships may further solidify its market position, fostering investor confidence and driving sustainable growth. Analysts have assigned eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide a rating of strong sell for the stock. The following signals have been identified for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, May 30th, 2025, and since then, it has decreased by 29.09%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased while prices were falling yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants closer observation. eHome Household Service Holdings Limited's stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Moreover, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $2.71 and $1.96. A decline below any of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal appeared 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal emerged 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, a sell signal was recorded 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. eHome Household Service Holdings Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $2.71. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 380 cents between its high and low, which represents 14.34%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 10.66%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited is at $2.89. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, eHome Household Service Holdings Limited encounters its first support level at $2.71. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.60. reflecting a decline of 4.70%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 24 days ago. Is eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of July, we expect eHome Household Service Holdings Limited to open higher by approximately 7.33 cents and start trading at $2.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.